Hi guys, Mantas here, and today I want to explain single opt-in versus double opt-in and which one you should pick for your email marketing strategy. So technically there are two ways people can subscribe to your email list. A single opt-in, which scheme looks like that. People coming to your landing page or on your blog post where is an opt-in box and they can subscribe, and straight away they send to your email list, and straight away might be autoresponder automation triggered and they will start getting information from you. Or there may be another scheme as a double opt-in where people coming to a landing page or blog post, and when they enter their email, first of all, they will get a confirmation email and they will have to confirm they really want to be on your list. And just then, when they click that link on the first email, they will be assigned on your specific email list. So, what is the benefits of these two schemes? In my opinion, and every single time I use double opt-in. And why? Is it required by law? Well, not everywhere, but in some countries like European Union, if you are trading, you doing business with European Union, so this is by the law should be added because there are new rules. If you know GDPR, General Data Protection Act, and there are bunch of laws in every single country which are different, but this video is not about that. If you live in USA, it's not required and you could easily use single opt-in. And single opt-in is easy, much easier for user to subscribe and come to your list because that one additional skipped confirmation email is actually skipped. So why on earth would you like to use that double opt-in? Well, double opt-in, when user goes through all this process, he's making a micro commitment. And when he's making that micro commitment, he is more likely in the future take action. So it means more often and more likely he should open the email and click the links in that email if the information is entertaining and he's interested in that information. Also, double opt-in will cut off these subscribers which enters wrong email addresses. The users might enter wrong email addresses because of a couple of reasons. They can misspell their email address while typing, or they might enter that email address specifically wrong, led by interest, by curiosity, or by scarcity. That's because they want to see what's on another side. They want to see what's gonna be when I'm gonna enter that email and, click that magic button subscribe or get it now if that's downloadable PDF or something like that. Alright, so the next video part will be real-time example how to enable and disable that double or single opt-in, And now I'm gonna log into my autoresponder provider. It is GetResponse. And I'm gonna quickly log in. And now I'm gonna show you where to set it up, double or single opt-in. So as you can see, I have some lists already, and I'm gonna create a new list for the purpose of this example. I'm gonna create new list. I'm gonna name it, let's say, test. I'm gonna create, oh, the list is exist. All right, so we just created a brand new list which got no subscribers. So what we must do now, we have to go into settings And there we are. We can choose category, we can drag a logo, but we have to go into the subscription section. And in the subscription section, by default, this is a single opt-in. You see what's written? Require additional confirmation. And if you want to make it double opt-in, you have to make it on web subscriptions and API forms. So that means web subscriptions, as far as I understand, is the opt-in boxes created by a GET response and the code applied into your website, or API if you're using like Thrive themes, Sumo, or the other, additional plugins. So usually they use API subscriptions. And don't forget to click that Save Subscription Settings button. And one more thing you can do is to edit confirmation message, if you will, of course. So this is your confirmation message, subject line, and your body. So this is what user will see on their first email when they're gonna get. And they must click that button to confirm a subscription. I hope you guys can now understand the difference between single and double opt-in, and leave it in the comments. Which one do you prefer? Which one you using right now? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends who may be interested, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers!